Hi everyone, this is Galen Martling, and I am sharing a set of cards that I made ahead of the holidays just to get a jump on the holiday season. And so I created poinsettia cards using this silhouette stamp set called Painted Poinsettias. It's beautiful. It has two poinsettias that layer right on top of each other with ink, just different shades of ink, and it works perfectly together. You can make this with watercolor, but I just decided to use inks. So I went with 3 passes of the stamping using the MISTI stamping tool, but I'm only showing 1 pass here for each color. And so I started with a lighter shade of green and went in on the outer edges with a darker shade of green just to get a variegated look. On one of the other samples, I used a solid dark and then another flower with a solid light. So, you can just do it however you'd like. I just wanted a variegated look to a few different cards. And then I went over it with the top poinsettia, which is smaller and a bright red. And I did that 3 times with the stamping as well. So I heat set the stamping to make sure it was nice and dry. And then I used opaque Copic white paint that has a brush to it and mixed that with a little bit of water. And then I used a paintbrush to splatter on some splatters on top of that. And I really, really love the richness of it. And it really pops with the white paint. And also the stamp itself has splatters in the stamp, and that is shown in the red splatters there as well. And so now I have a center element that's a tiny little stamp included, and I heat emboss that in gold right in the center. So when you heat set that, it becomes beautifully metallic gold right in the center of that flower. So pretty. So this is just a panel. It's a half sheet of a 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock. It's a half sheet. I got 2 card fronts out of a half sheet. And so I did this to make 6 cards and 6 panels, 6 sentiments, and 6 frames, all in different settings there. I did the sentiments all at once, did the stamping all at once, and did paper trimming all at once. And then you just layer it once it's all dry, and you apply it with some foam for the sentiment and behind the card front, and then flat double-sided tape to place that frame layer in red onto the card base. It's so pretty and very easy to do. This is just one of 6 cards that I did, and I just love it. So I'm 6 cards ahead of holiday handmade card making. And so these are the different ones. You could see the different variegated colors, different looks depending on the kind of inks you use. I hope you give it a try. It was really fun to do. Simple, just took a little more time because I did 6 cards. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.